minute to bring it down. Now I'm answering the question, ulijua lini nitakuwa MP? Back when I was in second year in campus. Second year in campus, I remembered a thing I did when I graduated from high school. When I graduated from high school, I was recalled back to the same high school to become a librarian to help clear my school fees balance, which was outstanding. Mimi nilisoma kwa shule, na tukisoma kwenye nimetoka familia yetu, pasa akepea mwalimu list ya watu wanafukuzwa juu ya school fees, nikose jina yangu hapo, I knew there was a typing error. Hakuna vile ningekosa kufukuzwa, kwa sababu hakuna term sikuwa na huge fees balance. So when I left high school, nikafanywa librarian kwa hiyo shule inaitwa Kiabugi, bado iko hapa Kiharu. Nikikuwa hapo, nikasoma vitabu mingi sana. Then I came up with something in my mind. Na nikasema, mimi in future, I want to be wealthy. I just defined two things. I want to be wealthy and I want to be a leader. But I didn't know how much money, and I didn't know leadership up to what capacity. Then I went to campus in KU. In second year, I was in Kenyatta University, my friends. So when I was in KU second year, nikaandika kitabu. Those of you from Kiharu, you know that book. Inaitwa How to Succeed in High School. When I wrote that book, I was in second year in campus. Second year. The original book I wrote, that book on how to succeed in high school, I was in second year. Where you write about the author, you read textbooks. Hapa nyuma na kapicha ya author, about the author. Oh, the author was born here, the author schooled here. The last sentence in that book, and I was in second year, nikasema Ndindi Nyoro is a student studying economics in KU. Then the last sentence was, and future Kiharu MP. Second year, I didn't even know Kiharu inatoka wapi na inafika wapi. So, I've already answered the two questions. The challenges you are going through, my friends, because in a school we may wear uniforms, but you are not uniform. Our homes are not uniform. Our parents are not uniform. They also don't wear uniforms. We come here from diverse backgrounds. Whatever background unatoka, ukifika Mugoiri, it means we are all qualified to make it. Whether your mother comes visiting you barefooted like my mother, whether they come with a V8, mukifika Mugoiri girls, the reason you wear uniform is because hiyo formula yote imetafutwa nyinyi kuvaa hii uniform, imeonyesha ukifika hapa masomo haijui nyumba imetoka, masomo haijui gari imekuleta, and therefore everyone here has capacity to get an A, to become a doctor in future, a lawyer in future, a women rep, an architect, and a great lady.